Hopefully our destiny has started to unfold. When we meet, I can see it's only lovers. Steps to love of angels. How can it be true? Somebody to keep this dream alive. Dream hallelujah. Oh, it's not the last to be. Just speak to me. When we touch, I realize that I found my place in heaven.
Ay, may ano na lang pala, may happy ending. Sa ano mo hanapin? Ang naka-alphabetize kasi dyan yung ano, singer. Abnormal yan eh. Average. Pag wala, hanapin mo doon sa may nan. Yung ano. Everlasting song.
Suddenly our destiny has started to unfold. When next to me, I can see it's going heaven. Our destiny, angel. How can it be true? Somebody to keep the dream alive. Dream hallelujah. Oh, stop a love again. The strangest thing to me. When you touch, I realize that I found my place in heaven by your side.
Ano mo, babe?
Heaven by your side.
Gaya yung kantahin, no? Okay na nga ako maghahanap. Hindi ko kaya yan. Hanapin mo dun sa may nan. Nan yung ano. Nan yung artist. May happy ending.
When we touch, I realize that I found my place in heaven by your side.
Express me the love of an angel.
Tingin mo na yan!
Hihintayin ko pa yung ano eh. Yung ano yung score eh. Meron?
Realize that I found a place in heaven by your side.
Ha?
Never ending.
May happy ending nga eh. Sinungaling